Welcome to English Quiz Channel. Total questions 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started.
She is writing a letter to her friend. They are starting a new project at work. The baby is sleeping in the crib right now. I am learning a new language online. We are decorating the house for a party. He is making a sandwich in the kitchen. The birds are singing in the trees. She is watching her favorite TV show. They are moving to a new house next month. He is riding his bike in the park. I am baking a cake for the party. We are practicing a song for the school event. She is trying to call her mom. The children are playing a game outside. He is applying for a new job. They are solving a puzzle together. I am cleaning my room this afternoon. She is sending an email to her boss. We are eating at a restaurant tonight. He is reviewing his notes for the exam.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this mixed English grammar quiz and learned something new today. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quizzes and learning content.